In the shadow of the scramble for Africa, when Europe was carving up the continent like a birthday cake, one nation refused to be sliced. Welcome to Untold Africa TV. This is the Battle of Adwa. The day Ethiopia taught the world that African soil would never bow to foreign boots. It's 1889. Italy signs the Treaty of Wuchale with the newly crowned Emperor Menelik II. But a single mistranslated word changes everything. Italy claims Ethiopia is now their protectorate. Menelik looks them dead in the eye and says, "Never." With his iron-willed Empress Taytu Betul at his side, Menelik unites the ancient kingdoms, Amhara, Tigray, Oromo, Guraj, under one banner. He arms his warriors with thousands of rifles, builds alliances, and waits. Italy invades Tigray anyway. General Oreste Baratieri marches in with 17,000 troops, modern artillery, in total arrogance. He believes this will be easy, but Menelik has been preparing for years. Over 100,000 Ethiopian warriors answer the call. They march from every corner of the empire, singing war songs that shake the mountains. Spies feed Menelik every Italian move. While Baratieri's men starve in the hills, the emperor's army grows stronger by the day. Dawn, March 1st, 1896. The hills around Adwa are silent until they aren't. And what happens next will echo across Africa forever. The fog lifts. 100,000 Ethiopian warriors pour down the hills like a human avalanche. Ras Makonnen, Ras Mengesha, and Empress Taytu herself direct the attack. The Italians are caught completely off guard. Their scouts failed. Their supply lines collapsed. Their commander panicked. Wave after wave of Ethiopian fighters slammed into the Italian lines. Spears, rifles, courage older than empires itself. One Italian brigade is surrounded and wiped out. By noon, the once proud colonial army is in full rout. Over 6,000 Italian and Eritrean askari soldiers lie dead. Another 3,800 are taken prisoner. The survivors flee back to Eritrea in disgrace. Ethiopian casualties are heavy, around 7,000 dead, 10,000 wounded. But the victory is total. Menelik II does not gloat. He treats the Italian prisoners with dignity and sends most home. In October 1896, the Treaty of Addis Ababa is signed. Italy is forced to recognize Ethiopia as a fully sovereign, independent nation. For the first time in the colonial era, a European power had been decisively defeated by an African army on African soil. Ethiopia remained free while the rest of the continent fell, and Adwa became the unbreakable symbol of black pride, unity, and resistance. This is not just Ethiopian history. This is African history. The day we proved that no flag, no gun, no empire could ever own us. If this story moved you, smash that like button, subscribe to Untold Africa TV, and turn on notifications, because Africa's untold stories are only just beginning. Until next time, stay proud, stay African.